Hello everybody, this is Jerry. So today we're gonna talk about that they're not gonna pay us no more. And let's go to my creator studio. Just today I saw that I'm not gonna be able to monetize anymore, and that's cool. Like I said, we're gonna make it there. It's just gonna take time. Let's go into all the videos. And for y'all that got to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, good for you. I'm very happy. The rest of us, we just had to get there with time. So as you can see over here, it doesn't say that it's gonna monetize anymore. So let's move it a little bit that way. Okay. So as you can see, it doesn't have the little dollar symbol that they pay me for the videos. And for the rest of y'all, the same too, that you're not monetizing anymore. But like I said, that's fine. It's just gonna take us a little while, you know, for the watch hours. And right now, even though if I make videos, you know, the watch hours, they're still gonna be the same. You know, I still need to get a little bit more subscribers here to reach 1,000 subscribers. But the main thing is this one, the watch hours is gonna be a little bit difficult to get to 4,000. So that's gonna take a while, and since we make, you know, our videos like 10 minutes or less, it's gonna take just a little bit of time. So far in January to February, the watch hour is 231. So if we multiply that times 12, it's gonna give us like 2,000 something. It's not even gonna be close to 4,000. So what I have done is create a playlist on my videos. Bunch of y'all have suggested this, where you make a playlist and then other people can just watch your videos, like let it run like at night or something like that. So if anybody wants to do that, that's perfect. So I can get the time that I need, the 4,000 watch hours. And let's go here. And I'm pretty sure a bunch of y'all have done it like this. I know that some people suggested this to me earlier, and now they meet the requirements of 4,000 watch hours. So here's my playlist. Well, let's go to my videos first so you know what I'm talking about. So all this are all my videos. As you can see, I have a bunch of them, and like if you click one of them, it's not gonna go to the next one. So that's why we create playlist. And the list number one is the one where it has all the videos. It has 196 videos. So if you press play all, it will just play all the videos one after another. You know, it will go all the way to 152, like this video says, and then it will go over here to the next video. And I'll show you, it's just gonna take a little bit of time. Like I said, my internet over here, you know, I'm in the country, so it kind of sucks because the internet is not that fast. Even though I have like I don't know, maybe like 60 or 70, can't remember, but it's not that good. And plus, at the same time, you know, my kids are playing the tablets, and there's a lot of internet stuff going on.
Hello everybody, this is Jerry.
So I'm just gonna skip all the way.
I love fish.
And as you can see, we'll go to video number 2. This is just a little trick for some of y'all that don't know how to do this. So if you want to support my channel, y'all can do this. You know, help me out with watch minutes. Just like press on my playlist and let it run. Like if you're asleep, or and just put it on mute. You know, so there's no sound.
Hello everybody, this is Jerry. So just today.
So we just put it like that, no sound, and let the video run, and then it goes to the next one, and that way I accumulate watch hours. And at the same time, you know, if you want me to do that for you, I will do it. So let's just support each other, and this is a quicker way to get there, you know. So let's get close to the end so you will see what I'm talking about. And then it will go to number 3. And this is a little good hack on, you know, hacking YouTube on
Hello
the
everybody,
watch
this is
hours.
Jerry. I just want to show you my collection of.
So the video will just run through the night or through the day whenever you just want to click on my videos and hook me up with some time. And that's how we're gonna make it, you know. At the same time, I'm gonna be making new videos, stuff like that. But let me show you again what I did. So you just go into my my account, you know, my channel, and instead of pressing video by video, you just go into the playlist here, you know. As you can see, I watched that one, and it was going on this one. But go ahead and press on the playlist, and then on the first one, the list number 1, and then it says play all, and it will play all 296, you know, and whatever it will play, you know. I don't know how long you will let it run for, but that's a good way to get watch hours. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put this video up. And to beat the system, like I said, to beat YouTube, we need to support each other and watch minutes, and that's how we're gonna do it. One more question: does anybody know when we're gonna get paid the last paycheck? You know, like I think I have $19.76. If anybody knows the answer, leave comments below, because I'm very curious if they're gonna pay me by the end of this month or it's gonna go into March. I don't know. So just let me know, and I will talk to you later, guys. Like I said, this is Jerry. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll talk to you later.